Hi everyone, my name is Steve Chen. I'm one of the co-founders of YouTube and I run the engineering team here.
Hi, my name is Jeff Stearns. I'm a Flash engineer here at YouTube and I worked on the JavaScript API for our YouTube embedded player.
I am Daniel Dancer, the tech lead of the YouTube API project developed partially here in Zurich, Switzerland, Google's largest engineering office outside of the United States.
Hi, I'm John Harding. I'm the engineering manager for our developer APIs and tools here at YouTube, and I want to talk about some of the new features we're launching. So the biggest thing, and what you're going to notice, is you can now have users sign into YouTube from your own website. That's going to let them upload videos to their account.
Of all the different requests that we get as enhancements and as possible suggestions to the API platform on YouTube, this is by far the most common, this is by far the most frequent request, which is how do we allow our users with our applications or our integration into YouTube upload their videos directly to YouTube.
Modify playlists, add favorites.
Rate a video, file a complaint, send a video to one of your friends' inbox, or change your subscription or your favorites list.
All the stuff they can do on YouTube, they can now do on your site with their account. And when they do that, we're actually allowing you to specify your own what we call developer tags that lets you categorize the videos, and actually when you search, you can actually search across just the videos that users have uploaded on your site. So you can build your own little view of the YouTube world that you've contributed. On top of that, we know that not everybody speaks English in the world, so we've actually started internationalizing the YouTube APIs. So now we make the standard feeds, all of the popular content, available for all the countries that YouTube supports. And then when you're uploading video to YouTube, we provide all of the categories in a localized form, so you can display the native strings for whatever category is in your country. Finally, the big thing we've got is our Chromeless player and the player APIs for the Flash player. So in the past, all you could really do when you wanted to embed the YouTube player was just stick it there on your page, and you could either have it play or not. And so now we actually have a whole set of JavaScript and Flash APIs that you can use to control the player, either from JavaScript on the page or your own Flash.
Some of the controls that are available to you with the JavaScript API are things like play, pause, seeking to a specific time in a video, controlling the volume, muting, unmuting the video, and getting the current time of the video so you can synchronize it with other external events. You could also do things like synchronize the player with transcripts or a presentation or any other JavaScript controllable resource. You can also listen to events from the player like play, pause, know when the player is buffering so you can pause your content. Another cool thing I worked on was the Chromeless video player, which is just a bare bones video player with no controls, which allows you to fully customize the player to have it look and feel any way you want. The Chromeless player is just simply a video display window and no controls and no chrome around the player, so you have full control over what it looks like and how it behaves.
You can really customize it to look exactly complementary to your site, your application.
The Chromeless player is also controllable via JavaScript, or you can load it into your own Flash application and control playback that way.
And then finally, all this new API features that we have on GData, you can actually access from Flash now. So we have finally enabled Flash access to the GData APIs. And so you can actually put all of this together to have upload, sign in, and Chromeless player and scripted player all on your own site, your own little slice of YouTube.
I think the most incredible things we've seen are the results of third parties integrating with YouTube, not just websites, but also applications, and really trying to take advantage of the creativity of third-party developers.
Now that you know everything about the YouTube API, we can't wait to see the cool apps that you're going to build based on it.
So we're really excited to make all of these new features available for you, and even more excited to see what you guys are going to build with this. We have our ideas, but I'm sure you're all going to come up with fantastic stuff that we never would have thought of. So get started coding and let us see what you get.
You know, all this is part of the YouTube APIs and tools suite, and we're happy to see, we're very excited to see what the creativity of our developer community can bring back harnessing this platform. Thank you. Developers.